Welcome to this lesson on staying up to date with social media trends. In today's fast-paced digital world, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn are constantly evolving. New features appear, user behaviors change, and trending topics emerge at lightning speed. To keep marketing strategies relevant, it's crucial to understand these shifts. In this video, we'll explore the best practices for monitoring changes, evaluating their relevance to your audience, and proactively adjusting your approach. Get ready to discover how staying informed can powerfully boost your social media marketing success. Before we dive into the specifics, let's define what we mean by social media trends. These trends include emerging features, popular content formats, viral hashtags, and evolving user preferences. Staying updated means more than just scrolling through your feed. It involves actively researching, analyzing data, and monitoring platform announcements. In a rapidly changing digital environment, being on top of trends can help your brand remain relevant, engage your audience effectively, and stand out among countless other social media voices. Imagine you're a marketing manager named Ava, whose competitor's campaign suddenly goes viral on a new platform feature you barely noticed. While their brand visibility skyrockets, you're left playing catch-up. In a moment of realization, Ava decides never to be caught off guard again. She dedicates time each week to read official updates, follow thought leaders, and experiment with new tools. As we follow Ava's journey, you'll see how consistent trend tracking ensures your marketing plans don't lag behind the competition. Trends often follow a recognizable cycle: emergence, peak popularity, and gradual decline. As shown in this chart, early adopters gain an advantage by experimenting with new features when the trend is fresh. When the trend peaks, more users and brands join in. Eventually, the novelty wears off, or a new trend takes its place. Understanding this life cycle is vital. Early engagement can yield big payoffs, while clinging to a declining trend can make your brand look outdated. Time your strategy wisely. Spotting trends involves consistent observation and research. Follow platform-specific blogs, like Meta's Newsroom or TikTok's Business Hub, for feature announcements and marketing updates. Study hashtags and content themes that start rising in popularity. Engage with your audience directly to see what excites them. Leverage social listening tools and influencers within your niche to gain extra insight. By combining these sources, you'll quickly notice when the conversation shifts or a new feature gains traction, ensuring your marketing stays ahead of the curve. A prime example is the rise of Instagram Reels. When introduced, many brands hesitated, unsure how to adopt short, engaging video content. However, those who jumped in quickly experienced a surge in reach and community growth. One small fashion retailer saw their follower count double within 3 months by consistently posting fun, trendy reels. This case illustrates how embracing new features early can produce remarkable gains, demonstrating the importance of staying on top of platform upgrades. Keeping a curated list of reputable sources can streamline your research process. These may include official platform blogs, like YouTube's Creator Insider or LinkedIn's Marketing Solutions blog. Marketing news outlets, such as Social Media Examiner or HubSpot, often publish timely updates and step-by-step guides. Check these sources weekly and bookmark relevant posts or video tutorials. Seeing the exact instructions or user interface screenshots can eliminate guesswork when implementing new features, helping you swiftly integrate valuable tools into your social media strategy. To move beyond guesswork, create a simple dataset to analyze the performance of each trend you test. Document the trend's name, date you adopted, audience reach, and engagement rate. Over time, spot patterns, like which content types trigger higher interaction or which platforms respond best to certain styles. This data-driven approach ensures you invest resources in trends that prove effective. Rather than blindly following fads, you'll have tangible evidence pointing to where real value lies. Influencers often sense shifts in social media before the broader market does. Their daily engagement with followers can unveil growing interests or changing tastes. Build relationships with influencers relevant to your brand and observe the kind of content they're producing. If you notice them pivoting toward a new format or topic, that's often an early signal. By regularly collaborating and staying in their information loop, you can catch rising opportunities before they fully break into the mainstream. Trend monitoring isn't a separate task. It's an ongoing piece of your broader marketing strategy. Schedule weekly or monthly strategy check-ins to update your content calendar based on emerging topics or platform updates. Keep a flexible budget so you can quickly allocate resources to experiment with new ad formats or creative styles. This consistent integration of trend research will let your team pivot smoothly, ensuring you deliver timely and relevant content to your audience at every turn. Not all trends are worth chasing. Juggling too many can dilute your brand message and overwhelm your team. Focus on platforms and features that resonate with your audience demographics. Evaluate a trend's relevance by asking, does it align with our core values? Can we produce content that feels authentic? Will it help us achieve our goals? By filtering out what doesn't fit, you'll avoid distraction and maintain a cohesive, meaningful presence across your social channels. Remember Ava, our marketing manager? After her competitor's viral moment, she reorganized her workflow. She created a monthly trend check meeting where each teammate shared new insights or features discovered. They tested small pilots, collected data, and then scaled up ideas that worked. This incremental approach helped Ava's brand stay current without veering off brand. Her team's morale soared, and followers praised the fresh content. The story of Ava reminds us that consistent effort keeps us in tune with rapid online changes. Even with the best planning, challenges arise. Trends can shift abruptly, leaving little time for thorough testing. There's also the risk of turning away loyal customers if a new format feels out of character or too salesy. Negative feedback can spread quickly on social media. That's why clear objectives, consistent monitoring, and audience feedback loops are crucial. By staying honest about brand identity while experimenting, you'll reduce the chance of missteps and maximize the rewards of timely trend adoption. This diagram shows how staying up to date isn't a one-time affair. It's a cycle of observing, testing, evaluating, adapting, and repeating. With each new feature or viral movement, you observe market reactions, run small tests, evaluate what works, adjust your approach, and continue the cycle. This process ensures your team learns from every experiment and incrementally fine-tunes your social media strategy. It also helps avoid stagnation, fostering a culture that's always ready to innovate in the face of change. You've learned the core strategies for staying current with social media trends. Follow official updates and industry news, maintain a data-driven mindset, collaborate with influencers and your team, and integrate trend research into your marketing plan. Remember, not all trends fit every brand, so choose those that align with your objectives and resonate with your audience. Also, keep evaluating your efforts using real metrics. By regularly refreshing your content and campaigns, you'll ensure your brand stands out in a crowded digital landscape. Ultimately, adopting a proactive mindset about social media trends builds trust and authority with your audience. You'll deliver timely, engaging, and relevant content that fosters loyalty. You'll outpace competitors who are slow to adapt, securing a leadership position in your niche. And your marketing becomes more efficient as you'll focus on strategies backed by current data. By applying these lessons in your professional routine, you'll make your brand's voice memorable in a constantly evolving online world.